Okay, so for this portion for part 3, I'm just going to be using GenBank to find certain parts of the genetic code and the grep commands. So I'm going to do grep. So when I'm looking for bases for amino acid GAT, total I should say, it's 3 of them. There you go, all the GAT. I'm going to do, see how much CA I can find. Name the file. Go. I'm gonna do AGC. And then I'm gonna do one final one, and that is GACC. So I'll add another base here. Let's see if we can do that. Or another base, I should say. There we go. Awesome. Thank you.